In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Wayfair emails by either unsubscribing or setting up filters. If you're finding your inbox flooded with too many promotional emails from Wayfair, you're definitely not alone. And thankfully, there are straightforward ways to manage or reduce them. So let's walk through the steps to keep that inbox clean and manageable. Firstly, we're going to start by managing your preferences directly in your Wayfair account, which can be done either on their website or through their mobile app. Begin by visiting wayfair.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Account section. Here, you will find various settings related to your personal information and preferences. Within the Account and Preferences section, there is an option labeled Email Subscriptions. This is your gateway to controlling the type and frequency of emails coming from Wayfair. Upon selecting the Email Subscriptions section, you'll be presented with several options. Wayfair offers you the flexibility to choose how often you'd like to receive promotional content. You can opt for receiving emails on a daily or weekly basis if you still like to hear from them occasionally. If you're looking for a more permanent solution to cut down the clutter, you can choose to unsubscribe from all promotional emails entirely. Once you've made your selection according to your preferences, make sure to save the changes. This step is crucial as it confirms your updated preferences and stores them within the system, ensuring you're only receiving the emails you want. It's worth noting that by unsubscribing or altering the frequency of emails, you won't miss out on any important order-related notifications or updates, as those are handled separately from promotional communications. Now you can sit back and enjoy a tidier inbox void of unnecessary clutter, allowing you to focus on the emails you actually need to read. By following these simple adjustments, you'll have greater control over the type and amount of information that ends up in your email, making your daily email check a lot less daunting. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Here's to a more organized inbox and a more peaceful digital life.